Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Registering and updating your Autel products is something I cannot remind you to do often enough. This is a fairly quick and easy process, but occasionally you may run into an issue. Today, we're going to show you what to do if that happens. If you attempt to update your Autel Handheld tool and it fails to complete, you may end up with a blue screen, missing icons, or a message that says Manager Program Authentication Failed. You will need to use MaxiPC Suite on a computer at this point. Let me show you how to fix it. Unplug the tool from all power sources. Hold down the power button for at least 60 seconds or until the tool turns off. Most red tools have a left arrow key. Hold this arrow key while you plug the USB cable in connected to the PC. This will force the tool back into update mode. Open MaxiPC Suite. If there are updates available, please do them. If the suite says no available updates, then we need to switch to the tab on the top of the suite to Uninstalled. Choose Select All on the bottom left, then select Uninstalled Selected on the right. Without unplugging the tool at all, switch the tab on the top of the suite back to Updates Available. The update you need will appear here. If it does not, you can select the Refresh button on the top left. Then, choose Select All on the lower left, then Update Selected on the lower right. Once everything is completed, you will see no updates available. You can unplug the tool and power it back on. Everything will be back to normal. If you still need help, you can always contact our tech support team at 1-855-288-3587. While we are always happy to talk about Autel's innovations and new updates, there is nothing more important than being here to support you, our customers, regardless of the issue. For more information on our family of products, feel free to visit us at autel.com.